Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make your white Android Auto system wireless using a dongle in your Mercedes-Benz GLA. Open the console area in the middle of the car, and there you will see a USB-C port. There you can add an extension, and then you will need a dongle. This is a dongle which comes to us as a 2-in-1 wireless car adapter dongle. That means, of course, if you switch on the ignition, get this in position, you will get the Apple CarPlay information too, as you can see. So, okay, agree this, job's done. Now, you will see this is a 2-in-1 wireless adapter, so you can use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And we are going now to make Android Auto. Android Auto is the easiest way that you are going to Android Auto app in your Android smartphone, and then you can enter into the system. That means you have to now switch the wireless function, and then it will be using Bluetooth to pair each other with the dongle. And if the dongle is paired with your smartphone, you have to agree something a little bit and so on. But then after this, it will be automatically switch on the Android Auto. Because Android Auto is a mobile app developed by Google to mirror features of a smartphone or other Android devices. On a car's dashboard, information and entertainment heads are a unit. Once an Android device is paired with the car's head unit, the system can mirror some apps on the vehicle display. It supported apps included GPS mapping and navigation, music playback, SMS, telephone, and web search. The system supports both touchscreen and bottom control head units. And we have a hands-free operation through voice command, if it is available and recommended to reduce the driver distraction. Of course, you can see in my car it does not work with because there's no internet access. But if you use your smartphone, which comes with broadcast with mobile data, you can of course use all the apps which you can see in the screen. Android Auto is part of the Open Automotive Alliance. This is a joint venture of 28 automobile manufacturers with NVIDIA as tech supplier, available in 36 countries. And you can see now the functionality is really easy. Android Auto is a software that can be utilized from an Android mobile device, acting as a master to a vehicle dashboard head unit. Once the user Android device is connected to the vehicle, the head antenna will serve as an external display for the Android device, presenting support software in a car user interface provided by Android Auto apps. In Android Auto's first iteration, the device was required to be connected via USB to the car. And now we can go straight forward with a dongle, which brings us from the wired connectivity to a wireless connectivity. That's easy, that's cool, that's Android Auto in our Mercedes-Benz GLA. And if you like to go back to Mercedes, of course it's possible. Use the Mercedes app and then you can come back to the standard dashboard stuff which you like to use. And then of course you can switch again to the Android Auto. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. That's on.